Right guys, happy new year and welcome back to the channel. So we're on a day out today, me and Rizwan, he's my mate, he's a security officer. He's currently navigating down country lanes. It's very bumpy, you know, and cars are coming out. Just 1 second lads, just turn left here and head straight up. Cheers pal. What we're doing basically is we're going over to Kinder Downfall. Now Kinder Downfall is a mountain in the Peak District. It's actually the highest mountain in the Peak District. So what we're doing is we're navigating our way from Hazel Grove to Marple, then from Marple over to Glossop, and then from Glossop we'll take the Snacks Pass over to Kinderscout, and then we'll walk down the Pennine Way over to Kinder Downfall, which is the main goal. Now we're going to be expecting ice up there, because when I came out this morning I noticed there was ice on my rooftop, so I'm expecting that with that being higher ground there's going to be a lot of ice. But yeah guys, I'm now on a 2,500 plus subscribers. So guys, if you subscribe to this channel and you're watching this video, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to just sign off here and we'll catch you later on in the video.
Yeah. The food. When we get there, first little bit we do breakfast. And some different place.
Yeah.
Left onto Chapel Road, A624.
Just an update. So got a little bit lost because it's been many years since I've actually cycled this route, so you know, obviously I'm forgetting stuff. So we've just turned on the TomTom navigation, Google Maps, whatever you want to call it, and it's actually leading us there now. But we're coming through a place called Hayfield. Now if we wanted, we could start at Hayfield and go up to Kinderscout, but the thing is, my mate Rizwan, he just wants to have a chill day, so he wants to, you know, walk over to Kinder Downfall via the slabbed path. So it's easy, he doesn't want to do any scrambling or anything like that today, so we're just having a simple walk, which is why we're going to access Kinderscout from the Snacks Pass. But yeah, we're on track and hopefully we should be there soon.
High Street East, A57.
We're actually in Glossop now, mate. Getting excited now, guys, because we're coming up to the Snacks Pass soon.
Straight.
Yeah, straight.
Yards at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on High Street East, A57.
Yeah, we're coming up to the Snacks Pass soon, guys, which means we're going to be starting our little hike over to Kinder Downfall. Now, I do hope there's a little bit of ice up here, because if there is, this is the first time Rizwan's been on Kinderscout, so if there's ice up here today, it will give Rizwan a good inclination of just, you know, what a British landscape can be like. So yeah, everything's all set and getting excited, we're nearly there. Right guys, so our adventure is about to begin, and me and stay there, Rizwan, you see him? We're going to be heading right over here to Kinder Downfall. Now, I was correct, it is icy up here. Let me just show you this. Look at that, it's icy. Now, I was thinking, should I bring any gloves and stuff like that? And my first thought was, no, we're only going to be out for a few hours. Then my second thought was, it's a bloody mountain. Of course, you're going to take gloves and stuff in the middle of winter. So yeah, we're now making a move. And we've basically got to go all the way down this track until we get to that other side of the mountain. So let's crack on. Guys, this path is increasingly icy. I've slipped about 4 times. Rizwan, I think he slipped once. Not too sure, it's about once. Many times you slipped, Rizwan? Once. So he slipped once. I've slipped about 4 or 5 times. And the reason being is because my phone keeps on acting up and just switching off and restarting, switching off and restarting. Now, this is one of the things that I want to bring to your attention. I've got a map. I've got a map of this mountain in my backpack. I also have flashlights and stuff like that. Don't rely on your mobile phone for navigation over mountains. You know, your battery may become too cold. Look at that ice. Guys, look at how icy that is. So if there's an emergency on the mountain like this, and you need to get off it, that's why you need to have a map. Right? Don't rely on technology. And that, guys, is the mountain we're going up. You see that? That is Kinder Scout in all her true glory.
Of all the money that e'er I spent it in good company, and of all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of
What's that you got there, Rizwan?
to man
Ice, go and pick it up for the camera, mate.
I can't
Show these boys. Show these boys what we have. See what I mean, guys? That's what it's like up here. That's what some parts of the path is like. It's crazy. Rizwan, thank you.
be with you all. If I had money enough to spend and leisure time to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town who sorely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks and ruby lips alone she holds my heart enthralled. Then fill to me the parting glass. Good night and God be with you all.
Right guys, so the sun is going down on the horizon. Switch to camera. Now you can see what that sunset looks like. Rizwan has just gone over there because he wants to have a look at what Kinder Downfall looks like from the opposite side. So yeah guys, you know, we done it. We got to the top of Kinder Scout. I have got to fly my flag of the Royal Irish Regiment. So I'll be tagging the Royal Irish Regiment on Twitter and on Facebook to say, hey, we've taken your flag to the top of Kinder Scout. So what's today been like? Well, today's been very problematic because not only did I want to come on a hike with Rizwan, I also wanted to come on a hike with you, my subscribers. So there's been a little bit of conflict between what we want to do and, you know, what I have to do for you guys. So that means I've got to sacrifice some enjoyment of my exploring because I've got to set up different camera angles with the camera, etc. But anyway guys, as you can see, the sun is going down now and we really need to pack up and go because again it's icy here, it's going to be pitch black soon and we need to go. So I'm going to say thank you for watching this video and I'll see you later. But again, we done it, we got to the top of Kinder Scout. Right guys, thank you for watching, see you later. No, it's down here. We didn't go through any rocks. Wait. Say again. I'm just yeah, keep going this way. Because I don't want to get caught out, that's what I'm saying to you. We're looking awfully close to that way I was talking about with the reservoir. Because I don't remember this before, do you?
No, I think we came up the way over there, look.
Yeah.
Down there.
Guys, so we're still navigating back. I know I said goodbye to you before, but me and Rizwan, we've just came down off Kinder Scout itself. We're more or less on flattish ground now, but we're just finding a way. We seem to be going off, you know, on alternative footpaths, but nonetheless, we find ourselves back to where we are. We're just walking again. We've got that ice field to get through. So we're going to do that. Rizwan's actually using a flashlight now, me myself, I'm using my headlight. So there's that, dark. Here's Rizwan now, coming up, but he doesn't have his flashlight switched on yet. Coming up to that cairn. You remember? So boys and girls, we're having a quick break. This is going to be the first drink of water I've had all day. So that's not bad. That water is 100% chilled. It's like it came out of a freezer. So it's just sat here. Rizwan's sitting behind the camera. And we're just overlooking the Cheshire Plain. So the Cheshire Plain is behind me. And it's basically Greater Manchester all lit up. If you're up here on Christmas Day, New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, you would have seen cracking fireworks going off. There's no wind, guys. No wind whatsoever. Absolutely stunning. Also, we met a guy up there, and I'll put the photograph up now. See this photo? We met this guy up there, and his dog has got a security patch on it, and the dog actually has its own YouTube channel. So I'll try and get the link in the description so you can go over and see that dog's own YouTube channel. It's bushcraft related. But yeah, guys, you can't see this, but Kinder Scout is looking very moody with the moody clouds behind it. You see now, Rizwan? It just looks very eerie and like part of a horror movie or something. But yeah, guys, we're having a break. We're going to enjoy it. So, see.
And I pay you money.
I was thinking that, but then I thought knowing you, you'll probably buy your own. That's what I thought. The one I bought was 17 quid. You could have got like 2 for 17 quid. But I thought you'd probably get your own. And then, it's only 17 quid, so why don't you get the same one as me? Because it comes, hold on a sec, it comes in its own little pouch. It has its own little like sports pouch. So if you might as well just buy the same bat as me. Right, people, we are now back at the car. That was a nightmare. Well, it wasn't a nightmare, but that ice on that path was crazy. Felt like I was ice skating. So what we're going to do now, Rizwan's being busy down there, he's doing something, don't know what he's doing. So what we're going to do, we're going to shoot home now, and yeah, guys, the videos came to an end. Again, thank you for watching the video, and we will see you in the next Fox Recon video.